This is Kenny, and he has the hiccups right now for the first time, I think. There it is. That's the cutest little hiccups. He speaks just like his mom. Are they all done? You gotta see how great he's doing with his feet. He just folds them like that. And we're sunbathing by the window because he has a little bit of jaundice, but I think he looks pretty good. Makes me laugh every time. Are you all done, baby? Alright, well that's all for now.